This is just an update to the previous video that I posted on the Surface Duo 2 2024 update. If we go now back into Microsoft's web page, we are seeing the security update posted for February 1st. This is the release date, and it's addressing the scenarios outlined for February security patches. Again, the problem that I'm having right now is I'm not seeing that security update patch in the Android webpage where it will talk about what it's addressing for security patches. On this note though, just looking in there, we'll go into the thing here. I'm not exactly too sure. I do see a bulletin for January 2024. Just a little confused. And if we again look at going into the security bulletins, the bulletin home, and we can look here. Maybe I'm just looking in the wrong place. Anybody know where I should be looking? Put it down in the comments below. I'm just going to go into the security bulletins home. Unfortunately, if we even look on the Android security bulletins page, I'm not seeing Microsoft there anymore. I do see Google. I see all of these companies, LG, Motorola, Vizio, but I'm not seeing Microsoft. I have no expectations for the Surface Duo 2 or the Surface Duo. I'm just really happy that Microsoft is making an effort towards making sure that at least the Surface Duo 2 until its end date is being updated. On that note, I just wanted to give you guys that little quick update towards it is posted in the Microsoft webpage. I'm just not seeing it in the Android page yet, but it may pop out in a day or two. This at least helps us out. If you guys have any comments below, leave them down in the post, and don't forget, thumbs up and subscribe. This is Consumer Compute. And if you haven't seen the first part of this video, you can click over here.